Hey, welcome to my channel.
Before
We get started. Hello everyone, welcome to my channels. In today's video, I'll be showing you an easy and delicious lettuce and tomato salad recipe. This is one of our go-to salad whenever we need something healthy and good, and also you can use it as a side dish if you want to. Also, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, make sure you like this video, and now let's go over ingredients to get started. The only ingredients that you will need for this salad is lettuce, tomato, lemon, black pepper, salt, and olive oil. I did wash my lettuce and tomato, and now we are going to get started on chopping all these items. And the next thing I do is I do cut my lettuce, and the way I cut my lettuce is thin, and I'll be showing you that right now. So the way that I cut it is thin. I can show you. It's like this thin. We do like it more when it's this thin. My husband and I, we prefer it this way. And a lot of people that they try this salad, they always tell me there's something different in this salad. And I always tell them there's nothing different. It's just the way that I cut my lettuce. So I do cut it thin. This is one of our go-to salad. Let me know in the comment section what is your go-to salad. For today's lunch, I'll be making rice and chicken, and this is gonna be our side salad. As a side salad, I'll say you can feed easy for maybe 5 people, but if it's your main dish, if this is your lunch, then I'll say maybe it'll feed 2 people. The next thing I will do is I'll cut my tomato. Just dice it. So now we have the lettuce and the tomato ready. We will add olive oil, and I'll say 2 tablespoons. And lemon. My lemon is big, so what I'll do, I'll cut half of it and squeeze it. You always can add more lemon if you want it more lemony. It's up to you. Since my lemon is too big, I did half lemon. We'll add some black pepper just for taste. and salt. The next thing we need to do is mix. And alright guys, let's try it now and see how does it taste. Salt, perfect. Black pepper, perfect. Lemon juice amount, just perfect. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, make sure your bell notification is on, leave a comment below and like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!